Hi there, it's Julie with the Edmonton Mennonite Center for Newcomers, also known as EMCN. Today, my friend and colleague Dana Eklich is back to help me talk a little bit more about winter driving safety. We focus on things that you should have with you at all times in order to stay warm and safe in any situation.
Winter can be a challenging time for drivers for many reasons. In order to be prepared, you should always have an emergency kit in your vehicle. Your car could break down or you could get into an accident. This may not always happen in an area that has nearby restaurants or other businesses you can go in to stay warm while you wait for assistance. When the weather is really bad in the winter, it can take hours for a tow truck to come and assist you. A good emergency kit will contain things that will keep yourself and your family safe and warm while you wait. Some of the basic elements of a good emergency kit include things like bottled water to help keep you hydrated, a first aid kit, which you can pick up at most hardware and grocery stores, a few items of easy-to-store non-perishable foods like granola or energy bars and nuts. At least one good warm blanket. Car problems don't always happen during the day, so you also want to have a flashlight with some extra batteries. If your car can't start, it can get cold very fast, so having some candles and matches is a good idea to help stay warm. You do, however, want to make sure that the candle has a can or something to put it in to keep the flame from tipping over. It is also important to understand that you will have to crack a window a little bit in order to let some of the smoke out. You want to make sure you're doing this safely. Include a phone charger that is adaptable to plug into your car. And don't forget to include some toilet paper, especially if trouble occurs out of town and there's no near businesses or homes you can go to for help. You'll be very thankful that you have it. Remember what I said about tow trucks? Could take hours. Another essential of winter driving in Canada is warm clothing.
So one thing that's really important to remember during the Canadian winter is to always have warm clothing with you. I'm actually really bad for that because I would go from my warm garage at my home to the parking garage at work, which is fine, so your car is already warm, but you never know what might happen on the road. So having a good pair of boots and your winter gear with you just in case, because if you get in an accident, you don't want to be standing outside dealing with that accident and freezing.
So let's review some of the things that we've learned today. You should always have an emergency kit in your vehicle. You can easily put one together yourself using some of the items that we've mentioned. However, there are some hardware stores and car supply stores that have some pre-made that you can purchase. You should also always keep warm clothing with you in your car. This will help ensure that you can stay warm while dealing with whatever issues arise.
Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Until next time, have a great day and stay safe on those roads.